Best tools to research and find winning NFTs. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am showing you about the best tools to research and find winning NFTs on Ethereum, Cardano or Solana. So let's get started. So the first platform I have for you is called Dune.xyz. Dune.xyz is for different NFTs where you can actually find all of the amazing collections, and it is also for crypto and DeFi. So you can actually check out all the popular dashboards right here. It kind of like works in more dashboard and boards and charts and list way because it is a analytic tool, and here you can actually find different communities that have been created and then you can track them. So if you are looking for a platform to track different communities and track different projects and check out their analytics, then you should definitely check out Dune.xyz. If I want to check out any project, all I have to do is just maybe scroll down here and let's check out the projects. You can see the pricing as well for Dune.xyz. So this is the view of different projects. For example, this one, I can actually check out their trading activity, their stocks, and then the different hashtags are also shown here. So this is the view for Dune, and these are different projects that are available on Dune. So pretty easy platform to use. They also have their own Discord, so you can simply go ahead and join them there as well. Very famous projects are actually found on Dune.xy, and you will be able to for example, Index is here, Keep, Hypernetwork, and these different makers are also available on Dune.xyz. So if you are looking and tracking one of these projects, then you should definitely check out Dune.xyz. The next platform we have is called WGMI.io. It is for OpenSea and different NFT platforms. Most of them are open platforms, and you can get the view of these insights to your NFTs, where you can actually check out the 7-day floor, 1-day floor price for any of the projects. You will find all of the famous projects right here. For example, CryptoPunks, DinoPals, a Bored App Yacht. All of the famous projects are actually found here. For example, CryptoPunks and DinoPals, Wolf Games, and you can actually check out their 7-day volume as well, their floor price, and their supply owners and floor gap as well. But if you want to get an insight to their activity, for example, let's go for CryptoPunks, then you simply click on project activity and it takes you to the project activity and it takes you to that project, because here you will get the view for all of them and you can actually kind of like compare them. I really like WGMI because you can directly get this view of everything right here. You don't have to go ahead and find them. You don't have to go ahead and compare different projects, and the gap is also given. So this is good thing. And if you want to get an insight, for example, I opened CryptoPunks. This is how it is showing me the insight for CryptoPunks. I can actually check out the website for CryptoPunk is open, and now I can actually get their overall stats right here, that what is the current and lowest price, what are the peak values, how many NFTs are available. I can check out the bids, I can check out the whole the website is open for me. So this is how WGMI works. You can actually go to the live action for that project and go ahead and check it out. So yeah, if you are looking for a tool for your NFTs for open marketplaces, then you should definitely go ahead and check out WGMI. The next tool we have is called Rarity.tools. It is also for Ethereum, works with open marketplaces, for example, OpenSea. So it is one of the platform that I actually personally use as well. So what happens on Rarity tools is you simply go to all collection and then you can select any of the top collections that are available, or you can search by project name. Let's go with CryptoPunks. You simply click on that and Rarity opens it up. So Rarity.tools mainly concerns the rarity of the NFTs that we are going to buy or mint. You can check out their rarity. The rarity is shown on the top right corner right here. If I scroll down, my NFTs are actually open. You can see right here that the rarity is shown right here, and you can then open this NFT up. It will open it up on OpenSea because these are on OpenSea. So this is how, Rarity 2 works. If I want to look up for any ID, it simply opens it up. For example, this one, 9280. All I have to do is just click on 9280 and I will click on look up, and it will open it up for me, and I can then check out its rarity score, the different properties, what are their rarities, what is the floor price, what is the highest floor price, and then I can get this view. So very, very amazing platform to use with OpenSea or any other Ethereum marketplace. So yeah, definitely if you are using any open marketplace, then do check out rarity.tools. The next tool is called IC.tools. IC.tools is another Ethereum based research tool, and it has all of these amazing project available right here, and you can actually connect your wallet on IC.tools. It is one of the platform that allows you to connect your wallet directly. You can see the option of features. In features, you will see all of the featured collections. In the top, you will actually check out the top collections. Then there is an trending option where you actually see the insight for trending collections right here. You can check out them by their floor price, average price, volume, sales, market cap, and then 7-day volume. So this is how the view of IC tools look, and you can see all of the different famous projects are shown here. For example, the sandbox assets are also available. So if your project is available on IC tools, then you should definitely track it with this. You will actually find the discover option as well, where you can actually discover different collections, and address book, favorite collections, where you can add your favorite collection, so you have an idea that how you want to trace them. Then you can actually check out the gas fee right here as well. So pretty good, decent platform to use with your marketplace in order to find and buy different NFTs. The next platform I have is called cnftanalytics.io. It works well with cnft.io. Again, a pretty decent platform. You can see right here, this is the view where you actually find the ADA volume and then NFT volume right here. You can actually check out the 3-day, week, month, and all-time chart. The view of CNFT is kind of like in a chart view because it is a analytic tool, and this is how it works, and you will actually find all of the different collections right here. For example, you can actually that if you log into it, you can actually find all of these featured collections, and then trending, and the new drops as well. So it's super easy to use, a very beginners friendly platform as well, and they also have their Discord and Twitter which you can join. There are different sales available on SNFT as well, and all of the famous collections can also be found here. So yeah, if you are looking for a good tool, you can just go ahead and check out cnftanalytics.io. The next tool is called Token Ref. Now, Token Ref is one of the platforms that is not that advanced, and it has a limited number of collections. For example, these are the only collections that you will actually find. These are the collections that are available, right? So, but if your collection, if one of the collections that you are actually following, if it's available on Token Ref, then you should definitely, go ahead and use it, because it's a pretty good, tracking software where you can actually get a view of your collection. For example, let's go with Crypto Dragons, and all I have to do is just click on the website right here, and it will open it up for me. So you can see right here that this is the look for Token Ref, and you can see the good thing about Token Ref is you actually see all of these rarity properties as well. You will see each one of the property and their rarity right here. It opens up a very good view for you of each NFT that is available in that collection, and you can actually go ahead and check it out. You will be able to see their status as well, if it's open for sale or auction. So this is how Token Ref works, and it is pretty good view. That's why I said if your collection is available on Token Ref, then you should, before buying or minting your collection, any NFT from your collection, do go ahead and get a view in Token Ref, so you will have a better idea. The next platform is for Solana, and it is called howrare.io. is. It is for Solana, and you will find all of the collections for Solana on howrare.is, and you can get the view right here that these are the different collections that are available. Pretty famous collections, and all of the popular ones are available on Solana. So what you do is you simply click on any of these. Let's check out this one. It's called Vampires of SOL. So when you open up a collection on howrare.is, you see the view right here. All of the NFTs will be shown right here, and you will get the view. It's kind of like a little similar to Rarity.tools, because the view, you can check out right here that this is the view for Rarity.tools, and then this is the tool for howrare.is. But of course, Rarity is for Ethereum, and this one is for Solana. So what happens is you see the rank for the NFT right here, then you see the score, price, and last sale. If you want to get the more view, you simply click on any of these and it will open it up. So what happens is you can check out all of the different NFTs in a collection right here, and you can actually check out their rarity, you can check out their sale price, you can check out their last sale, their rank. So pretty good platform. If you are using Solana, then you should definitely use howrare.is, because it will give you a very good view of the rarity of the NFT and how it is going to be sold. You can actually go ahead and check the honor as well. Then the filter is pretty good. You can actually filter it out according to different properties. This is a good thing. And then you can actually customize your search, and then you can submit. Once you add all of the information, you submit it, and then you will land on the perfect NFT according to your choice. So yeah, if you are using Solana, then you should definitely check out howrare.is. The next platform that I have for Solana is called Digital Eyes, and it is one of the very first NFT platforms for Solana, the open NFT marketplace for Solanas, and you can actually connect your wallet. All of the collections are found right here, and you can actually do a lot with it. When you are finding NFTs and looking to mint one, you can definitely check out Digital Eyes, because it allows you to create and mint amazing NFTs, and all of the NFTs here are actually verified as well. You will see this tick which says shielded, and it is kind of good, and all of the different famous creators are also found on Digital Eyes. So yeah, definitely go ahead and check it out as well. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I kind of gave you an overview for all of the different tools that you can use. Feel free to go ahead and check out all of these if you are looking for a tool. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.